Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by triaging the issue. Inspect the latest PDF and source files to find the immediate defects. Focus on the first actionable fixes, correct missing fonts, restore high-res images, and fix bleed or crop marks. You do this now because small file errors cascade into print failures. Once done, flag any content changes for approval. Make sure to save a version backup before editing so you can revert. This prevents wasted time chasing introduced mistakes later. Now you execute the detailed repairs. Open source files and relink all image assets to 300 DPI masters, then apply consistent style sheets for headers, body text, and captions. You will realign the layout grid and fix widows, orphans, and inconsistent spacing so pagination flows predictably. Check color profiles and convert to CMYK if for print. If digital, embed sRGB. Once these core elements are fixed, export a proof PDF and run a quick checklist comparison. Finish by exporting both print and digital proofs, then compare them page by page against the corrected source. You should run full pre-flight checks to confirm fonts are embedded, bleed and trim are correct, color spaces match intended output, and all images meet resolution limits. After that, obtain stakeholder sign-off and archive a versioned master with clear naming. If something goes wrong, the quickest recovery is reverting to the last good version and replaying only the minimal edits to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.